Okay. Rocky is at Home Depot with us. We had to get a couple things. We decided to bring him. That way he can be socialized with people. We're waiting on Daddy to get some parts. There's a lot of people where he is, and we're trying to stay 6 feet apart. But he's doing pretty good. He's just sitting there watching everybody go by. He's the little working dog, service dog for Home Depot. Rocky. Oh, look at that cute puppy. He's such a good boy. Yes, he is. Home Depot is packed today. I don't know why. Well, I know why. Everybody wants to fix up their house, but we're trying to fix up our bathroom. That's why we're here. And it is packed, so we are just keeping our distance, letting Daddy go, standing over there. I don't want to be around too many people. Even though over here in West Palm Beach, in the Home Depot, actually in Royal Palm Beach, everybody is wearing their mask. It's all safe. I don't see not one person not wearing a mask, which is, hey, it's, it's everybody's preference, but I think it's just safer when everybody wears a mask. I don't know. That's just how I feel. You can choose not to wear one. I won't look at you crazy. I don't care. It's your problem, not mine. What happened? Say hi. Oh, you stretch? Come on, we're still waiting on Daddy. Still waiting on Daddy. Come here. You a good boy? You want to walk over here? Let's go over here and see what we see. Over here. There's nothing over here. It's a dead end. No, we're going to stay back here because there's a lot of people. You want to come back here? Well, we can't go back there. What do you want to do? You're sniffing out the area? You ain't gonna smell no pups. What are you trying to smell? So, where's Daddy at? I don't know where Daddy went. Come on. Where you want to go all these back ways? What are you trying to do back here? Come here, pup. I'm still waiting on Daddy. Making me go in circles. Come on. Let's go, Rock. Let's go this way. Alright, you ready to go next to people? I need you on your best behavior, okay? Not everybody wants to be touched by a cute little puppy. Daddy over there. Sit. He sees him. You got it? He wants to go to his daddy. That's the part you need? Come on, Rock.
Hey, the copper fittings.
It's gonna be a little bumpy. Sorry, guys. I got Rocky over here. He saw Daddy, so now he's excited. Come on, Rock. I'm recording a video for him. You want to hold him while I record?
Let's go. Stop, guys.
What a pretty puppy. Look, he's a good boy. Yes.
He ain't no pretty boy.
He's a pretty boy. He's a cute puppy.
He ain't no cute puppy. Look, come on.
Isn't that the thing you needed, that kit that you needed?
Yeah, but I have the one at the house.
I know, but check what color. Oh yeah, it's yellow. What's the matter? So we're here at Home Depot with Rocky. Rocky is 4 months now, isn't he? Yep, Rocky's 4 months old. Dutch Shepherd. Mixed with German Shepherd puppy. He's growing so fast. Come on, Rocky. Such a good boy. Even though he's good with people, but we just want to keep him. Nope, don't touch that. Keep him socialized. No, I said you can't just go sniffing everybody. Not everybody wants your little slimy nose on them.
Beautiful.
Thank you. Okay. These are not toys, buddy. He's looking for toys. What are you doing? He's just sniffing out all the... Nope. Well, he's pretty good, you know. He's not... He don't bother nobody. Just be a good boy. That's what I like about him, you know. He loves people. He's watching Daddy talk to somebody. Yeah. Oh, you're such a good boy. You're gonna sit. He's learning, guys. He's learning so much. Growing so fast. I can't believe he's already 4 months old, my baby. Look at that puppy. He's so tired. All this walking. It's pretty cool that Home Depot allows dogs. It helps out with working on him, being socialized with people. Because it's so hot now at the park. I won't dare to take him. By the time it gets nice weather, it starts raining, so he hasn't really been out that much. I really want to take him to a doggy park. That way I can socialize him more with dogs. I mean, he's pretty good, but, you know, he's still a puppy. Well, he's doing so good at Home Depot. He's such a big boy. Ready? Daddy said, let's go. He wants you, but can I have him?
Let me see. Come here. Come here.
That way the phone is not jerking around everywhere.
It's gonna be fun.
Come on. I should say myself. He's doing pretty good. If everything goes as planned, Rocky will be taking his first road trip. We're trying to purchase an RV. We're supposed to look at it today. Hopefully we could see it today. We buy it today, get it ready to hit the road, register it. By Tuesday we should be going. So I'm going to be posting Rocky's first road trip. The destination is unknown. We haven't decided that, but if you would like to see that video, just okay, sit down, Rocky. Just go ahead and subscribe to our channel. If you want to see more videos of Rocky, go ahead and give this video a like. Share it with your friends. Let me hold him while you do that. You want me to hold him? Rocky, get back. But yes, he still has his collar that we purchased him. We actually bought him another vest because he's a big boy now. The first one we got him got small. Yes. This one is pretty awesome. We got a good deal. Good deal at PetSmart. It was on sale. It said $19, but when we ranged it up, it came out to $11. The original price was $49. So that's pretty good. And he still has his collar, which, by the way, may I add, works wonders. I have it in one of my videos in description below. Maybe one of his second videos that he's made. But from that collar just helped him out a lot. With the biting. I mean, he still tries to nip us here and there, but it's playful, and he knows now that it hurts. But you know, he's a puppy. He's only 4 months old, so we just got to give him a little beep. But we still have that collar, and it's awesome. But since he's growing more, Rocky, no. Put him on a short leash. There's cars. We might get him graduate him into a big boy collar. From Amazon. We just gotta go through them. But for right now, this one works pretty good. So whenever he gets out of line, we give him a little beep or vibration. But you're such a good boy. He's so big now. He's not as hype as like the first time we brought him here. He wanted to jump on everybody. Now he understands he can't mess with everybody. He tries, but go, Rocky. He's good about it. Good boy. Yes, you are, good boy.
Where's the car?
Find the car, Rocky. See if he has to go potty.
Nope.
Yeah, I gotta be careful. Last time we let him sniff around here, he grabbed a chicken bone. Why would somebody throw their chicken bone? I don't know. So you got to be careful. All right, well, that was our exciting trip to Home Depot. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and he will be taking a road trip with us. So just go ahead and subscribe. You can watch that video. Bye.